Para sa mga guro ng Mandawi City Central School, ang isang maayos at kaaya-ayang paaralan ay bahagi ng pagbibigay ng mas magandang kinabukasan sa kanilang mga mag-aaral. Taon-taon ay patuloy silang nagsusumikap sa hangaring ito. Ngunit kasama ng hangarin ay may suliraning hindi nila kayang tugunan nang sila lamang.
For 5 years, I guess, since then and up to now, I always see this struggle. So manpower is very important for the implementation of the classroom renovation, maintenance, prepare his classroom for the upcoming opening of the school year. Schools are only dependent on the monthly operating expenses, what we call MOE. It's not enough to support the entire expenses of the school. It's monthly. Some teachers don't have a choice. They just rely on their own funds, personal money.
Dati kasi yung school vicinity namin, para siyang matagal nang hindi na-improve. Little by little, we're already trying to improve it. But because the frontage of the school is a bit dull, that's what prompted the school head to ask help or maybe to collaborate with the MCGI to have their murals there.
Sa bawat pinturang inilapat at bawat oras na inilaan, unti-unting nabuo ang isang proyekto na mag-iiwan ng pangmatagalang inspirasyon sa komunidad.
Mas malinis tingnan nung nagkaroon na ng mural sa labas. Those words that were written there has uplift, siguro hindi lang kami, hindi lang sa mga bata, but also to the people outside who pass by our school. Nagpapagaan yun ang loob ng mga tao na somehow when they read those words, it uplifts their spirit talaga. So I think that's what I had in mind, because yun yung nafe-feel ko when I was there outside, and then when I look at the murals and saw those words, so it uplifts my spirit. So napapagaan yung loob na nababasa mo yung mga words na andun.
Will serve as their guide. As a learner, simple phrases can already bring impact to their lives as a student. Eventually, they can apply that one and they can practice that one in school and at home and everywhere. So it has a very big impact. I posted this one on social media, Facebook. Majority of the reactors were students. They sent me private message, "Sir, how come that during our time there it was not created? Why not we are already graduated? That's the time you have done this to the school." So for that, I was really happy. Yeah. Since the first time I've encountered and engaged with your group, I was really amazed by your deeds, okay? The way you help communities and institutions like the school. Nakakapanindig balahibo yung mga ginagawa niyo.
It's a blessing talaga na dumating kayo sa aming paaralan dahil marami tayong naipatupad at nagawa with your help. Continue to be a blessing to everybody. Yung spirit ng bayanihan ninyo ay very inspiring to everybody. Hindi lang sa aming mga teachers, pati na rin po sa mga komunidad na malapit sa aming lugar. So maraming salamat talaga MCGI for the wonderful blessings that you came into our school.
Maaaring pintura lamang ang nakikita sa mga pader. Ngunit para sa marami, ito ay nagsisilbing mga paalala ng pag-asa, kabutihan at pag-ibig. Sa Diyos ang lahat ng karangalan at kapurihan magpakailanman.